So welcome back to the second tutorial, in which I was about to tell you how to go back to the link when you receive the email with a beautiful e-card. You should go back to the link. So the thing is, I wrote a very bad subject because in my form uh, I have no place where you should write what is your name and your subject. So in this form we should make your email, your name, receiver's email, subject and text. So let's add two more fields because we would like to make a better e-card. So you received e-card from and the e-card's owner's name. So we should edit a bit the form. So this is the first I don't know, row. So let's add your name in front of this row. Um, I should write 13. I will leave it here. Your name. So later I will change it because this is for me. Uh, let's leave it my name. And this is if it goes back to the same page and it has errors, so it leaves the field full and not empty. So just write my name. And before text area, we should write the subject. And let's just, I believe it's 14. But anyway, this is just for me. You skip this part. Subject. All right, let's just leave it subject. All right, and we need to add these two parts in the eCard in the MySQL database. So first thing we need to receive these two variables. And let's leave it name as my name and subject. Sorry if I'm very fast. I'm just sorry. You could always pause this video. So what this does, if for example, if somebody enters like marks like this inside, the tag marks, this code will break, or such marks, quotes, I mean, and something like this, the code will break, and MySQL will not insert anything. Then you need to make MySQL real escape string, and what it does, it adds a slash like this in front of all these codes, and the script knows that this is the next symbol is, you need to skip this symbol, next symbol, but it will post anyhow inside. So we now add name and subject. So we need to insert also name, subject. What this does, I suggest you always do insert method like this. MySQL insert into database name, and then into which columns you insert valuables inside. For example, you don't need to insert ID. You don't need to insert, like, for example, some user ID, some stamps or something like this. You need to insert only 3 values. In my case, it's 5 or 6 in a table with 8 values. So if you change the table, the script will continue to work if these columns exist. For example, there are different methods where you just write values, and if you change the table, it will break. So I suggest you use this method. You first write into which columns, and then write which values. So I'll just click enter, so it's a new line. Alright, so it was name and it was subject. So my name and subject. So what do we do next? We copy the subject into subject. And we used the title also as subject. I would recommend to do it. And okay, we took the name part, and we should post somewhere here. E-card from tratata. E-card was sent by Let's make it bold, and then we just post the name. So delete these single quotes. Alright, so we now have a much more better much more friendlier the form. Okay, but there is the image and there is the center. Let's. This is the title in the email, so this will not show anywhere. Just write like H1 for a head title in the top of the e-card image, and let's just copy it inside. Okay, let's just see how did we do. Alright, so wrong email. So okay, this is this one. So it's not 12, it's 9, but this is okay. This will not show in your case. Let's write my name, which is Matt. My email, Matt W Web. Let's click this part. This is the receiver. The subject is hello. Text is hello. How do you like this? The next step which I wanted to make, but I will change it. It was the where you can edit and change things, but I will make it later so you can change the colors and size and maybe add a melody. And receivers emails or emails, I think we will later make text area. You can write up to 10 emails or 5 emails, so you can send to many people in this case. So let's go to next step, and e-card has been sent, and we will make a link on the under bottom so the sender can check the link. And let's just double check my email. And okay, we have e-card hello, and let's see what do we have here. We have a title which is hello, and the email was sent by Matt, and the link here. So everything works great, and only the pictures don't show up in my email browser. Therefore we add a link about on the bottom. So there was no, there was a break missing break. So okay, so now we have a system that is capable of working. Um, After sending, I suggest we insert into database that such an e-card has been sent. Uh, because we would want to know that this is not a spam like millions of times. And uh, let's just check the time. But I have to finish the tutorial now, and we will skip this part, and you will do it yourself later. Okay, so bye.